Goldman Sachs just dropped a bomb. 300 million jobs gone by 2028. Not maybe. Confirmed. Right now, McKinsey data shows 44% of work tasks face automation within 36 months. Your job is next. Google just released NotebookLM. One click, your entire research team replaced. Deloitte tracked this exact pattern. Legal associate roles down 47% since 2023. Paralegals extinct by 2026. That's not speculation. That's their quarterly filing. Second wave hits harder, coding jobs collapsing fastest. GitHub Copilot handles 60% of junior developer output today. Tomorrow, it's 90%. You're watching your salary evaporate in real time. Anthropic Claude now passes bar exams. Real bar exams, your financial advisor job, your analyst role, your administrative position. All vulnerable right now. This isn't distant future talk. Your paycheck is the breaking news. Your skills are becoming obsolete this quarter. But here's what separates survivors from casualties. You must learn prompt engineering immediately. Not next year. Today, this week, the 50% who adapt stay employed. The other 50% disappear. Your mortgage doesn't care about your degrees. Your family needs income. Action beats prediction every single time. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input AI every day.